All right, what do you got there, Bobby?
Intake lifter for #1 cylinder. Looks good. They're just standard factory roller lifters. Hydraulic, nothing crazy. Remember, you got the oil relief. Always goes to the center of the motor. On this side, anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
One intake. All right. Where's your bag for one exhaust?
You want this on or off? I don't know. You got mad at me earlier.
Well, why don't we have Jared pull one out? Hey, Jared, you're going to pull out on camera.
Here, right on there, 1E.
Like that. And you put that in there.
Hey, I got one of those.
Yeah, I know.
So do I.
You have a whole one of these in pieces in your trunk of your Cadillac right now.
I have one that a valve floated on and beat the living Jesus out of
Yes,
cylinder
we have
number
that
4.
video. I need to make that live.
We have ones that are broken.
Yeah, you guys have broken ones.
Well, mine's not broken.
Mine's
Is
broken.
this the E right here? Yep. All right. Take a look. How's it looking? Oh, yeah, those are factory. Look, it's still at the factory inspection. Yeah, it's good.
Sweet.
It's not like the one that came out of Grant's SS that one time that had chunks out of it.
I didn't see that one.
Not yet.
All right.
Oh.
So carry on down the line. If you guys see anything weird, let me know.
All right.